All right.
Hi, this is Paul from J&H Aerospace, and this is a Sunstreak.
Sunstreak was designed in 1956. So what class does this fly in?
Have a nostalgia.
Very good. What engine have you got on here?
We got a Pilatus.
A Pilatus?
Sorry,
It's a Cox medallion. This is not a stock Cox medallion because we've got a Camtechnic radial backplate mount. We've got one of these fine thread needle valve assemblies, which hopefully those will become available again. Camtechnic spinner nut, Camtechnic head, so that we can run Nelson plugs and get a little better running. What's that timer called? What did I tell you? It starts with a T. Yeah, it's a Tatoni.
Tatoni, and
who makes these pinch-offs?
Daddy.
No. Who makes those? Mr. Who?
Mr.
Neil Manano.
Mr. Neil Manado.
Okay. What kind of dethermalizer do you have?
We have radio.
Okay. Do you remember who makes those? Those are BMK.
BMK.
Yep. All right. Plane's covered in 0.6 mil Doculam. Who built the airframe?
Me, myself.
Yep. Who sanded the airframe?
Daddy.
Yeah. So he built the airplane, and then I glassed up front, sanded it, covered it, and did all the plumbing and DT stuff. Because that's a little beyond. How old are you?
6.5.
He's very, very proud of that and a half. So this airplane, is this running on a hard tank or is it running on something else?
Something else.
What's it called?
A soft tank.
Well, it's not on suction. It's on. What's this thing down here? What is that?
Bladder.
Mm-hmm. So what special thing do you have to do with the bladder when you're starting it up?
You have to fuel it.
Yeah, but when you fuel it, what do you have to do? What do you have to do to that fuel line?
You have to.
No, this fuel line.
Pinch it.
Yeah. So that makes it a little bit harder to start these up, but they run so much better. Y'all are going to see that. We're going to screw it up really good at first, but this young man is quite the flyer. All right. Well, with that, let's get started.
Okay.
All right. Yep, there you go. Okay. Okay, you should be free to do it now. All right, we'll see what you get.
Let off some?
Yeah, let off just a tiny bit. That's good. All right. Remember, let go as soon as it fires.
Get that out of the way.
Oh, here, I got it. Forgot to let off. There you go. Very nice. Still gotta add a little bit of tail weight onto it.
Coming in.
It is definitely nose heavy yet. All right, let off on it a little. That's good. All right, fire it up. Remember to let off as soon as it fires. No, as soon as it fires. Running lean. That's good. Remember to let off as soon as it fires. Beautiful. We'll have to work on a little bit more rudder trim there, but much worse problems to have.
Great.
Nice, beautiful. Gotta get that down before it hits the trees. Beautiful.
Next time when I don't let off. Finally.
Big loop up there, but it's also up in big air. I wish that stalling would stop. I don't know what's causing that. Yeah, it's just hunting, I think. Well, they can hunt some other day. There you go. Beautiful launch, beautiful climb. Beautiful transition. Echo off in the distance. That is so cool. Look at that. Still got a little stall there. No, it doesn't. It was just bleeding energy. Okay.
That's way up there.
Sure is. Look at it.
I do not think.
It's not in good air, but that's okay.
I do not think Mr. Rocco can get up that high.
I got bad news for you. He already does. Yeah.
We'll be a tie for that one.
What you think? What you think?
That was great.
What's that airplane called?
Sunstreak.
And what class does it fly in?
Half a gas.
Half a nostalgia gas. You can fly it in half a gas though. That way, that way, that way. Nice.
Next flight gets up there.
Yeah, it do.
I can still hear them.
Yep. Look at that thing float.
I bet they heard that.
Oh yeah. Watch this.
Hi, overhead.
Yeah. Stab didn't come up quite all the way. It's not coming down crazy fast. All right. That way, that way. I don't know why it's going left, but dang, it gets up there. All right, go get it, Paul. Hi, I'm Josh Finn. This is Hope. We are J&H Aerospace.
If you like this video, hit the like button.
Also, how about subscribe to our channel and check out jhaerospace.com for new free flight products and all of the tooling that you'll need to build them.
Thanks for watching.